Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace thermostat on 2006 Dodge Caravan easy method. Start by letting the engine cool completely, then disconnect the battery to be safe. Drain enough coolant so the thermostat housing is below the fluid line. Remove the upper radiator hose clamp, unbolt the housing, and replace the thermostat and gasket. Reassemble, refill coolant, bleed air pockets, and run the engine to check for leaks and proper thermostat operation. I explain the tools, safety, and prep in a friendly way so you feel confident before starting. Have a socket set, torque wrench if available, screwdriver, new thermostat, gasket, and coolant ready. Always let the engine cool fully and wear safety glasses and gloves. Place absorbent mats or cardboard under the vehicle to catch drips. Check for nearby flammable materials and keep a fire extinguisher handy for peace of mind. Follow a clear step-by-step approach to replace the thermostat without stress. After draining coolant and removing the hose, unbolt the thermostat housing and note the housing orientation. Remove the old thermostat, clean the mating surfaces thoroughly, and place the new thermostat so the spring faces the engine. Install a new gasket, tighten bolts evenly, reconnect the hose, refill coolant, and run the engine while topping off fluid and checking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.